Now I go down because the CC is already school bus come. So here I am, na 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 na. Ang gagawa na naman, mahuhuli na naman ako dito. She's a small girl. So now I'm her. Same as usual. Diba? Marami pa yung ano ko. Stay by stay. Wait pa. Okay? Dito tayo para nakita yung ano natin paa.
Para yan ni Maul?
Nag-aantay pa kami ng school bus. Camera action pa kami. Camera action.
Bye-bye.
Camera action. Camera action. Wala pa, nag-aantay pa kami.
Zuzu.
Thank you again for watching to all of us. Thank you to all subscriber of mine. Thank you to all not subscriber of mine. Thank you also to all viewers, and thank you also from no not viewers, and thank you again for not supporters and supporters. Thank you so much for the supporters. Thank you same as usual, nationwide and worldwide, and to the different countries. Happy weekends to all of us, kasi we are already different time and different places of the different countries. O, diba? It's weekend. Andyan pa si Amo. Si Amo pa rin. He's the driver of CC when she's KG nursery and KG1, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, almost from 2 years old, 3 years old, and 4 years old. Okay. So once again, thank you to the some vlogger that you are still watching and helping to my channel from the beginning and until now. Thank you so much talaga that you are still with us, with my channel, and not only to my channel, but also some different vloggers and they have their individual channel. And thank you that some of them also that belong in the social media and YouTube company. Thank you so much for giving me chance, giving me time to enter in the YouTube company. Thank you so much that you are still supporting. Another one pa. Nandun pa sa kabila. Thank you so much again. Thank you. and still helping and supporting with us. Okay? Some of my lahat-lahat na generalize na lang kasi yun dahil all of us more to mention basta Luzon, Visayas and Mindanao. Luzon, Visayas and Mindanao. Watching more.
Yalla Karim.
Very much. Happy weekend sa inyo. Tingnan na natin nga, baka naglampas na. Wala pa, 5 pa siya. Asan pa yung kasi doon? Wala pa na doon pa sa unahan yung sisi. Okay? Sitting down muna. Kasi happy weekends. Now it's Thursday afternoon already. Relax na. Making a video. Sorry. It's okay. Because there is a baby. The big, I don't want anymore to watch that children, the small children that below mga 6 or 7. Si Sisi, it's okay because he's always be with me. So the school bus is coming and already okay. The sweet little baby. Sa Alan Manila na. Okay, that is our view. Happy weekends. Happy weekends, everyone. Happy weekends. Thank you again. Thank you for watching. Keep safe. More blessings at all. God bless and bye-bye. Ayan din yung mga tanong. Busy kasi hindi nagmamadali kami dahil weekends na. Now is Thursday. Nag-i-enjoy na. Okay, so nag-i-enjoy na. Okay. Nag-i-enjoy na lahat. Ayan na sila, oh. Ayun na si Sisi. Ayan si Ellen. Ayan na, oh. Thank you and bye-bye. Goli, bye!